Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rafa Anif Awani and you can call me Rafa. I come from Bandung district, Majalaya. But actually, I don't live in Majalaya because many people don't know the area of my house. I use Majalaya to be more familiar to people's ears. And now I live in Ciwaruga to study. In Majalaya, I live with my mother and my younger brother who is now in junior high school. My house is connected to my grandfather, my uncle, and my aunt house. So every weekend we always get together. I used to study at SMA 1 Majalaya. And now I'm studying at Polban or Politeknik Negeri Bandung, majoring in electrical engineering in the D4 or bachelor degree study program in telecommunication engineering. In telecommunication engineering, I have an experience with telecommunication. It was only discussed a few times during physics lessons in my high school. I just found out about this program when I was about to graduate, but after searching on the internet, I started to be interested in this study program. There are several reasons, one of which is because telecommunication is approaching informatics, my dream study program. Apart from that, telecommunication also has very good job prospect in the future, because in the future, I know and everyone know everything will definitely be wireless. And my dream after graduation is of course to work for a big company like Telkomsel or just a company that can help improve my skills. About my hobby is playing basketball. Even though I'm sick, I will still go to play basketball because I really like it. Sometimes during class time, I can watch a basketball game while the teacher is explaining. I don't have a favorite team in basketball because I like it overall. But I have a favorite team in football, Barcelona. If you watch Fadli video, it means you know I'm his rival because he supports Real Madrid and I support Barcelona. My current activity is just studying in Polban, and on weekend I always go back to Majalaya because I don't have any activities here. At home, I can meet with my family, my friend, and of course to play basketball. In the previous topic, I said that I really like basketball. So, in this topic, describing people, I will talk about one of the basketball legend that I like, Kobe Bryant. The book I read about Kobe was called Kobe Bryant, The Mamba Mentality. Let's start with Kobe Bryant's physical appearance. Kobe has a muscular body because he is an athlete. He is 198 meters tall. His head shape is oval, and when he was young, he had black afro hair, then changed his hairstyle to bald. His eye color is dark brown, and he has dark skin color. Kobe Bryant has a personality that he created, namely Mamba mentality. Mamba mentality is a combination of ambitious, brave, competitive, consistent, fearless, loyal, strong, and many more. In his book, Mamba mentality means you keep trying to be the best version of yourself. You constantly keep trying to be better than yesterday. That's Mamba mentality. With the Mamba mentality, Kobe Bryant succeeded in inspiring hundreds of millions of people around the world. Even though Kobe Bryant is gone, the Mamba mentality will be a very valuable legacy. And talk about his career, I mentioned earlier that he is a basketball legend. Why? Throughout his career, he won championship 5 times, 2 MVP finals, 18 All-Star, 1 Olympic gold medal, and many more. I can name them all because there are so many. Why did I choose Kobe Bryant? Apart from his mentality, which inspires me too, Kobe is someone I admire when he played basketball for his IQ, his enthusiasm, and his hustle. Kobe taught about hard work, where he woke up at 4 in the morning to train, rest for a while, and continue trying again until the afternoon, even continuing training until the evening. Kobe taught about loyalty. He only played for one team from the start of his career until retirement, even though he was offered a big salary on another team. And there is much more to learn from Kobe Bryant. As long as I follow Kobe Bryant on the internet and basketball, I never found anything bad about him. In fact, Kobe is an athlete who has few haters. In this topic, I will describe the item that I often use in my room. The first item is a glass. A glass is a container that used to hold water for drinking. This glass is what helps me every time I'm thirsty. The glass I have is made of plastic, very light, and not easily damaged if dropped. This glass is 11 cm high with a diameter of 7 cm. The second item that I often use is, of course, pillows. I definitely use it every night. A pillow is a piece of furniture that is used as a place to rest your head when sleeping. The pillow I use is rectangular, with a width of 40 centimeters and a length of 55 centimeters. The material of the pillows I use is a foam. The texture is a little bit rough, so I cover it with a pillowcase to make it soft. This pillow is also elastic and can be folded without damaging its shapes. What I don't like about this pillow is that it is too high and makes my neck sore. And the last item is fresh air. This is the item I use most often because it warms my body from the cold air in Chiwaruga. And it helps me too when my body aches from sitting too long while doing work. Fresh air is aromatherapy oil that has many benefits. Sometimes I use it from my nose to fresh my breath. The shape of fresh air is a tube, 8 cm high and 2 cm in diameter. If you open the lid, you will find a small ball that is hard but remains soft when applied to your skin. And if you're wondering why I know all the size of the object, I point out I measured them using a ruler. Where's the ruler? In this last topic, I will describe my hometown and my dream city to live in. First is my hometown, Majalaya. Majalaya is one of the most crowded and densely populated districts in Bandung Regency. Majalaya is surrounded by 4 other districts, Solokajeruk, Pacet, Ciparai, and Paseh. Majalaya is about 30 kilometers from the center of Bandung Regency, Soreang. Majalaya district was established around 1950, and Majalaya once nicknamed the city of dollars because of the economic progress in the 60s, especially in the textile sector. Majalaya textile sector products such as woven fabric and saroms can be distributed throughout Indonesia and even imported to the Philippines. Majalaya people are just like Sundanese people in general. They are kind, friendly, and smile generously, even to the strangers. Majalaya people mostly become traders in traditional market, and some become farmers or factory workers. Majalaya people really like to play basketball. Almost every afternoon there will definitely be a match on the field. For food, Majalaya does not have typical food like other regions. Common foods such as cilok, cilor, seblak, batagor, cuanki, and meatball are easily found in Majalaya. But Majalaya has one famous food that is corn, or in Sundanese borondong. For the public transportation, Majalaya have is mostly angkot, but on holiday like Saturday or Sunday, there will be many delman or keretek going around. Majalaya has a town square that becomes a recreation center during holidays, such as playing basketball, gymnastics, and skateboarding. There is also a large mosque in Majalaya. Majalaya, I think, has no tourist attraction, but Majalaya people very often visits Majalaya malls to watch movies, eat, or just walk in. For the city that I really want to visit is Barcelona. The reason is the city is the home of the football team that I like, Barcelona Football Club. But apart from that, the city layout is very good and neat, which also makes Barcelona even more attractive and beautiful. Barcelona city planning is very unique because the houses are made into flats so that from above they look like a collection of squares. You can see it in the picture. The place I most want to visit in Barcelona, of course, Camp Nou. Camp Nou is Barcelona Football Club's stadium, which has a unique shape because it extends upwards. Apart from that, I also want to visit the church and cathedral there, which are famous for their very beautiful architecture. If I have the opportunity to visit Barcelona, I will take it with great joy because coming to Barcelona is a dream for all Barcelona Football Club fans. But I'm only interested in visiting Barcelona or Spain, not staying there if I get change, because many cases of racism in Spain against blacks and Asians. I would prefer a country like Germany, Netherlands, or maybe England because it is not bad as Spain.